I am Nirmala Mahendale, the founder of Kindness Unlimited, which was started 2 decades ago. And we work with youth and undergrad youth, and help them to be job ready while building the compassionate muscle.
What have been the major turning points in your life?
Well, I think it started with what course should I choose? And I was an economics student and not too sure which way to go. And then I found someone who introduced me to Tata Institute of Social Sciences. I think that was a major career where I realized I had the soft side and I wanted to work with people. And ever since then, I worked with the corporate sector. And I think the second big thing was starting my own business, which was a boutique firm. And now full time working in the social field.
Okay, amazing. That's great. So, can you share some of your most notable success stories?
It's sometimes it's so difficult because success is about other people helping you. So whenever I think of success, I say, oh gosh, how did come I met that person at the right time? And it's because of that person that, for example, my first job, and every single job, it magically happens that you said you meet somebody who tells you something, and you always think it's about you, but I think it's about opportunity and preparedness. And so with my business, I think I work with my business partner in a corporate job, and he was always wanting to start a business, and I was always hesitant because no one in my family was an entrepreneur. And then he says, okay, try it for 1 or 2 years. I think that's another moment where I jumped in, and then starting Kindness Unlimited. Never thought I'd full-time work with young people, and I said yes. And so, I'm very, very grateful for the people I've met in my life.
That's good. So, what are the challenges you have overcome, and how did you do them?
I think, this whole thing, God grant me the serenity prayer, is in every room in my house, to understand what I can control and what I cannot control. And so the first thing is, if I've had a challenge, for example, I worked with the labor unions while I was in manufacturing. And let's say there's a strike and there's a major challenge, you haven't slept the whole night, you're always asking, what you can control. I still remember, going with my workers and talking to them, and we would be in two different camps, but what was always there was respect for one another. Though we stood for two different principles, I think learning very clearly, I put my problems into a box. Can control, cannot control. And there are many problems I faced in life where I just couldn't control it, and I had to just accept it.
Right. So, what are the valuable lessons from your life?
I think that just be kind, and it's always positive, and also have a boundary. So kindness is not about not having a boundary. It's about look after yourself while you're looking after others. There is no harm in saying no. Say it kindly, be very firm, but just looking after yourself, as the famous oxygen. You've got to take your oxygen mask before you help others, or you'd be breathless. Right? So my tagline is balance self-interest with the greater good.
That's great. Thank you.